Hello guys, my name is John Michael D. Soriano Game. Hello, my first video on YouTube. Now I'm gonna play the black ball. Okay. I'll show you how to get this and this and this. You need 30. You need 3 times 30 of puzzle piece. Play select. This is easy, the first, medium, and hard. First is hard. Keep playing to get the puzzle. Don't get your stuck to get you can exchange gems to coin. To get this skin and weapon and the ball, you need 10 ads to collect it and this. Let's play to get the puzzle much more para dumami ang ating puzzle. Puzzle 3. Kung kaya nyo nga lang. Sige. Bye-bye.